Hi everyone, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. So I have been watching a bunch of people on YouTube that have created little resin pieces. So Crafty Kimchi, Scrap Diva 21, Wandy Sweets, let's see, Happy Mail Queen also, as well as Put Some Bling on It. They have been creating using resin, and I decided to go on to Amazon to pick up some resin pieces, and I was able to find these really cute little silicone resin molds. And I will link everything that I picked up through Amazon in the description box below if you want to click on the link to get more details on it. But I wanted to share with you what I picked up. I haven't had a chance to create using the resin because they do say for safety reasons to play with resin in a well-ventilated area. And since it's been triple digits here in Southern California, I haven't been able to be outside. I was originally thinking of playing with my resins outside, but it's been too hot to do so, and I can't really open the windows in the house because then we have the air conditioning on at this point. So I'm just gonna wait till it's a little bit cooler. But I have these little resin molds that I wanted to share with you. So let's get started. So this one is so cute. This is a little glue gun silicone resin mold. So this is a shaker. So this mold will actually create shakers, and I purchased a whole bunch of little shaker and polymer clay bits and pieces and sequins from Urban Gems, and I will do a video on that and post that in the next video. So this is so cute. I bought 2 sets, and this came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this came with 10. And they also included acetate so that when you're able, when you demold your silicone resin pieces, then you can put your little shaker bits or polymer clay in here, and then you can seal it using UV resin. So I'll share what I purchased in a little bit, but let me show you the cute little pieces. This is a little ice cream sundae shaker mold. This is a cart, a little carousel cart or an ice cream cart. So cute. This is a globe. This is like a little perfume bottle. And I imagine all these little details will be coming up in the mold. I was watching a whole bunch of videos, and I'll link some of the videos that I bookmarked below so you can check them out. You can create dry shakers, or you can create shakers with baby oil in them. This is like a perfume bottle. Too cute. This one is like a little video recording camera. Too cute. Imagine it being a little shaker, putting your little shaker bits in here. So cute. A little ice cream truck. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I got it delivered August 1st, and it's been 2 weeks, a little bit more than 2 weeks, and I still haven't had a chance to play with it. So that's one of the resin mold sets. And then this is the other set. This one is a little ice cream popsicle. Another perfume bottle. I'm not sure what this is, but if you do know, let me know in the description box below what this might be. There's a little crescent moon and heart and a star. And this is like a stopwatch. A little watermelon slice. Oops, sorry. Shook the camera. And then two little critters. One's a little, maybe a porcupine or a hedgehog. And this is a little cat face. So that is something that I will be looking forward to doing. I did see somebody on Instagram, I don't remember her name, but she made these cute little crescent moons, resin pieces to put on little badges. So I also, you know, this is a little bit big to put on the badge reel, but maybe this one might be cute. It might be cute. So I purchased also these little retractable badge reels for coworkers to create with for Happy Mail and also for the holidays. So I picked up 100 of them in a variety of different colors, and here they are. They're packaged up in individual little plastic bags. Ziploc bags, and they come in a rainbow of colors. So that's too cute. Let's see what else. I also went crazy and I picked up a silicone kit. This is it's like a resin casting tool kit. So you have everything that you need to keep your surface safe. I have the blue silicone mat. And then in the box or in the set, it comes with the silicone measuring cups. I wanted to do this, you know, in a way where I didn't have to dispose of, if I'm going to be working on resin, I didn't want to have to throw away cups, multiple cups. So what I did was I just opted to purchase the reusable silicone cups. And this is there are the I don't know if you can see from this angle, but you can tell how many milliliters there are in all 3 cups. And also in the box there are a couple of little spoons, not spoons, little silicone, I guess if you're going to be working on some resin and you want to kind of clear away a couple of spots, I guess you can use this. I know Frank Garcia has these in his shop to use with the Glitterific, so I was excited to see that this one came in the box. Then these are in the kit, they're little pipettes, so I guess if you want to section up some resin pieces in individual colors, if you were to color individual colors, and like for example, if you wanted to put like a little pink and yellow on each of the little spaces here, just for another decorative element in addition to the wheel, maybe black, little black, then you can use a little pipettes for that, I imagine. That's what I would be using it for. And then there's little finger condoms that they included. And then a little, I guess, silicone cup, I guess just to pour. And these are very interesting. I don't really know what these are. I imagine, in the picture it looks like they were sturdier, but these are very flexible pieces. I guess if this is maybe just a pop bubbles, there's a little tiny little spoon. So I'll probably have to check out the Amazon video for that. But I thought, you know, this will be a fun way to start my resin journey. So I bought the kit, the little silicone tool kit. Again, I'll link that in the description box below. And of course I had to make keychains. So I did purchase the alphabet resin. Sorry for the crinkling. It came in this Ziploc, reusable Ziploc bag, and it came with a bunch of keychains, as well as some 3 different colors. Is it 3? Let's check. 4 different color of the ice screws that you can use to screw into the tops of your letters, like a silver, a lighter silver, a darker silver, a gold, and a brass. Awesome. And I picked it up here. Let's resin. And again, I'll link all of the products that I purchased on Amazon down below if you want to check them out. So these are the alphabet silicone molds. So I can't wait to use this. A couple of other things that I picked up on Amazon. This was the UV resin clear. So if I'm going to be creating these as shakers and adding my little shaker bits into the little spaces, once I saw a tutorial on this, once you're done, what you need to do is cut out, I guess, use a Sharpie or a marker, an erasable marker, and then cut out the image. And once you demold it, you would have to add your shaker pieces and then use the UV resin, the clear UV resin, to attach the acetate onto the mold. So if I didn't explain that clear enough, I will have to demonstrate that in a future video. And with this particular resin, I picked this up only because I read a couple of reviews on Amazon, and basically this resin will give out an odor and heat during the curing process, and I think you have to cure it with an UV lighting. And that's why I bought this UV flashlight. It takes AA batteries. And so it's a UV light that I think I saw a YouTuber use. And instead of purchasing the ones that the nail salons have, I wanted it to be where I can actually apply it directly. And I didn't know how big these silicone molds were, so if I purchased the little nail UV light, it's pretty compact, and I didn't know how high or whatnot, so I just decided that a flashlight would probably do. I had more control as to the depth of where I would place my UV lighting. So make sure that you read. I've heard so many different stories about safety and protecting yourself using the nitrile gloves, as well as using a gas mask, or if you didn't have a gas mask, to actually be in a well ventilated area. Some people are very sensitive and may be exposed to side effects from the resin, such as migraines, I've heard. So I am very sensitive to smells, and so I just decided, just to be on the safe side, I would be starting this resin journey outside of the house. So it's just a well ventilated, I have a backyard area, and I will be using a mask, but with the triple digits going on in Southern California right now, I'm just going to hold off for a little while until it kind of cools down a little bit. This is Art and Glow. I do have the resin that I picked up at Joann's, or was it Michael's, like a year ago, in my stash, but I think that is the one where it's not clear. It can create little pastel colors. So I was planning on using a clear coating, adding some glitter or alcohol inks to it, and experiment using this Art and Glow. This Art and Glow, I've read reviews that it leaves it crystal clear and non-flammable, no VOCs, and low odor. So let's test it out and see how that works. And so there's a resin cheat sheet, and it came with instructions. So, and also videos. So I will go ahead and watch those and let you know how that works out. Some other products that I purchased that were not from Amazon, but I found that would be good tools to have for this resin projects. These are applicator bottles that I picked up at Frank Garcia's studio, and with the little shaker, there's this part of the mold. So once I demold it, you'll be able to see there's a little hole there where you can put the applicator bottle and apply your baby oil so that it's like a liquid shaker. So I purchased this at Walmart, and I just picked this one up because this was the only one in stock at the time that I had gone to Walmart. And then this one, these are baby wipes. And I think I saw a YouTuber when she was working with her little resin letter journey. If she happened to spill over the letters, she would use the baby wipe, and the baby wipe would just clean it right up instead of, you know, trying to finagle with sanding it or, you know, sanding it down or whatnot. So that was a tip that she had created. So hopefully, sorry for the long video, but I wanted to share with you all of the goodies that I picked up, and hopefully you will be able to catch some future videos on my resin journey. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.